I'm Columbia Mishra, and I am proud to be an engineer because I have had the best training to think logically, analytically, and approach a problem and solve it. I'm from a very small town called Malda in West Bengal. My parents thought that sending something from planet Earth into space was a step for mankind. So my elder brother is Apollo, and my younger brother is Challenger, and I'm Columbia. I thought mechanical engineering was never a choice for me because it's a degree not often pursued by a lot of women. Growing up, Kalpana Chawla was a big role model for me. She looks like me. She was from a very small town in India, and knowing that made a difference. But on February 1, 2003, Columbia Space Shuttle exploded. That was devastating for the whole world, and for me particularly, because it's my namesake. I started reading up a lot about what went wrong, and I found out that there was a re-entry problem, there was excessive heat being generated, and I started to focus on understanding heat transfer more. And I think that kind of set me on the path to be a thermal engineer now. So the problem here is, because of the spacing I'm using, I actually had to do a lot of changes. One of the biggest challenges for early career engineers transitioning from academia to the industry is the pace of work. In here, what happens is if you don't get something done in time, it becomes irrelevant. At Intel, I work on making sure that Intel chips get into real products by designing thermal solutions for our customers. So on one hand, we have computation power increase, but on the other hand, we have thermal challenges increasing as a result. And it's a very big engineering problem. Tuned to original calibrated data. I think that's a good resolution. The value in volunteering with ASME is to promote engineering and science for the benefit of society as a whole. Right now, as an CLIPS intern, I am working on the graduate student initiatives to make a better transition for them into the workforce. ASME membership is really valuable because the opportunity it gives to connect with other mechanical engineers in different industries. It brings perspective that allows for quicker and more out-of-the-box thinking.
Hello.
I also work as a role model with high school students. All three of my mentees will be the first in their families to go to college. Showing them the possibilities will expose them to ideas that they have not seen before.
The object that we're trying to test is actually that filament in the middle. That is actually a piece of steel.
The stereotype of an engineer is someone with glasses. They are socially awkward. That's absolutely not true. Engineers comes in all shapes and sizes and shades and personality types. I have a group of friends. We formed a band made up of all Intel engineers. We suck. But hey, we're not gonna give up. When I had learned that Kalpana Chawla had a private pilot license, I really wanted to learn how to fly. It's pretty technical. I will determine the risk factor associated with flying, and we'll have to do a lot of calculations.
You feel okay?
I feel okay. You know I'm always scared.
Engineering touches every aspect of our lives. The cars we drive, the houses we live in, all of these things are engineering. The problems today's world are facing needs to be solved. And I think engineers need to be at the forefront of all this. I am very proud to be an engineer.